Welcome to this series on cooking with the microbiome expert. We're going to talk about a wide variety of food and cooking topics. All right, so before we start cooking with really all of our dishes that require sauteing, we're going to talk about which oils to use and what temperature. So I always use extra virgin olive oil. Now, when it comes to butter, butter is great for flavor and calories and everything else, and I certainly advocate the use of, butter from some, free-range healthy cows. However, butter is not great to saute with because it has a very low burning point. So you do not want to burn your oils, your fats and your oils, okay? This is a huge oxidative stress in the body, so we don't want to cook with butter. We also don't want to cook with all these other sprays and all this other synthetic garbage as well. What we want to cook with is extra virgin olive oil. Now, some people will say, well, you can cook with lard. Okay, you want to cook with lard, fine. But extra virgin olive oil is incredibly healthy. It's a monounsaturated fat, which is not going to drive inflammation. The saturated fats tend to drive inflammation, okay? It's not an omega-3 like fish oil, which is incredibly unstable. It's a monounsaturated fat. So you can take in large amounts of monounsaturated fats, like the extra virgin olive oil, like from avocado. The other benefit is extra virgin olive oil is loaded with phytochemicals. It's incredibly beneficial. If you have any doubts, look it up online. Now, still, even though it has a higher burn point than, say, does butter, we still do not want to cook with high temperatures. So as we come over here, I've kind of had this saute pan to the side a little bit. But when we cook, we want to just saute it on the lowest temperature possible to not burn the olive oil, but also obviously to be able to cook the food. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, somewhere around here, you can go to my website where you can schedule a consultation with me. You can also view the protocols, and here you can watch the next video.